Have you ever poured your heart into a YouTube video, only to watch it get 7 views and then vanish into the void? You're not alone. They say 99% of channels never grow past that first 1,000 subscribers. But here's the thing, it's not because those creators aren't talented, and it's not because they aren't working hard. It's because most of us are playing the game with a rulebook that's 10 years out of date. YouTube isn't a social media platform anymore. It's a search engine, a data-driven meritocracy. And if you don't know how the system actually works, the algorithm will leave you behind before you even get started. So today, let's break down exactly why most channels stay stuck, and more importantly, what the top 1% do differently. Have you ever wondered why 99% of YouTubers do not succeed? The short answer is this: YouTube is no longer a level playing field. It's evolved from a simple video sharing site into a sophisticated, data-driven ecosystem, a meritocracy of attention. And that 99% of channels never grow statistic you've probably heard. It's not really a failure of effort. It's a failure to understand one core truth. YouTube is a search and discovery engine, not a social media platform. So let's talk about why so many channels get stuck in that 0 to 1,000 subscriber range. A lot of new creators treat YouTube like Instagram or TikTok. They post sporadically, hoping the algorithm will just push their video out. But for a new channel with zero authority, the algorithm can't recommend your video because it has no data on who to recommend it to. In fact, about 90% of a new channel's initial views have to come from search engine optimization. If you're not meticulously optimizing your title and thumbnail for what people search for, your video dies with 0 impressions. That brings us to the thumbnail and title click gap. YouTube measures success by click-through rate and average view duration. If your thumbnail doesn't hit a high click-through rate in the first 24 hours, YouTube stops suggesting your video. Yet most creators spend 10 hours editing a video and only 10 minutes on the thumbnail. In today's YouTube, the thumbnail is often more important than the video quality itself. It must spark intense curiosity. Then there's the dead subscriber trap. Growing by doing sub for sub or asking friends and family to subscribe often backfires. YouTube tests your video by showing it to your subscribers first. If they don't click, YouTube interprets it as a bad video. Successful creators think like TV network executives. They understand viewers tune in to solve a problem or be entertained. Growing channels focus on niche utility or high-concept hooks. They know a viewer decides whether to click in a second and a half. Another huge factor is inconsistent niche identity. One day cooking, the next day politics. This creates algorithmic entropy. Most successful channels went through a dead period of 2 to 5 years. The overnight success story is largely a myth. Successful creators treat YouTube like a data science. They study retention graphs and ruthlessly cut where viewers drop off. The 1% treat YouTube as a search engine, creating products designed to solve a specific problem for a specific stranger. Master packaging, packing, and patience. Stay consistent enough that the algorithm can build you a loyal audience. So if you look at all of this, the pattern is pretty clear. Most creators treat YouTube like a video hosting site, somewhere to upload content and hope for the best. But the creators who actually break through treat it like what it really is: a search and discovery engine where every video is a product designed to solve a problem for a specific viewer. It's not about going viral overnight. It's about mastering the fundamentals: packaging that demands a click, packing that keeps people watching, and the patience to stick around long enough for the algorithm to figure out who your audience is. If you're feeling stuck right now, don't take it as a sign that your content isn't good enough. Take it as a sign that you're playing a different game than the one YouTube is actually running. And the good news: once you understand the rules, the playing field starts to level out. If this video helped you see YouTube a little differently, hit that like button. It actually helps other creators find this kind of content too. And if you want to go deeper on thumbnails, retention, or the algorithm, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.